Obazee. Ah, man, na hypocrite, na one eternal. Eh, about Obazee, you dey talk of trap. Now tribe. Now about Obazee they talk now. About Obazee they talk about tribe. That Modokbewolo na tribalism man. That is our president, our state governor, and he go still be our president. As he come out from my mouth, now so he go be in Jesus' name when time come. About Obazee, you dey talk about our state governor. That is Senator Mode Okpewolo. Okay. You dey talk of tribalism. Abi na tribalism they talk about. I will say na tribalism. Now they do this our state governor when enter so. If na tribalism they use. If I not do one thing for Benin, yes, if I not do one thing for Benin, if say na tribalism, repairing the state, there is no tribalism there. The state na everybody yo. If you spoil, na why I go spoil put. If it's still good though, na why I go good put. Sometimes I dey wonder why you see the top put for Edo State matter. Yeah, there is sometimes you could have hide your face in shame. Now, Obaseki they come. Now, Obaseki they say you will construct it like this, you will construct it like that, you will construct it like that, you will construct it like that. But this post they Obaseki hand for good 8 years. Obaseki don't get waiting if he construct. Now, Obaseki don't they construct without he no get post again. By the time when Obaseki get post, Obaseki no construct. Now no say Obaseki is a dreamer. He dreamer for Benin. Now when you dey dream. Now true what be that to Obaseki dey dream o. Okay, where Obaseki now they explain. Wetin Obaseki dey explain for now. Say if you can't talk now, you go come do state governor again, and he know say it's not going to possible. He no fair do well. They say Oria no bonus and sha or any dion lay by. He no fair do well. Who fair do well now? 9 people will say if he come back again, they go still vote for her. But you wanna do that Obaseki with Obata Obaseki? Oh, no, not doing well. You know, not doing well. Now they see what another state governor they do now. You always can say you want to Okpebolo. Why you want to Okpebolo? The time when you dey talk of tribalism, the time when Obaseki dey, which Ishapesi can shout. Ishapesi no shout, they leave am for una. Say, now for everyone that money will shine here. Wa me di wa muse. Wa se musha wa money wo wada mugorwa Bini people welo. Eni ki fae, neni ki de on renya e sign state governor. E ki dache Godwin Okpebolo, Modokpebolo kan si ye o. Modokpebolo here de liko. Modokpebolo water don enter their house o. Which Modokpebolo comot. Even the day when they vote for Modokpebolo, they don't already they complain. They wait for Modokpebolo. Now, they not they complain again. Just as Ishama did that power, Benin people, una to the jealousy. Now it make Edo State no good. Even the jealousy self, una they do it to una brothers and sisters. Talk like say another person. They can say Modokpebolo come see here. Modokpebolo here they liko. Modokpebolo they not do here. Modokpebolo government no good though. Which now person just come on for there, never reach 5 months. Person just come on for there, never reach 5 months. They call they complain. Some road there when you go do. Some road there when you go do, they'll say now they want to renovate the house. You see, huh? The time we dey power, they dey power that time, oh. It with Godwin Obaseki dey power. Godwin Obaseki no see what you do. You got to fight upper palace. e carry Oba palace come, e dey fight am. That they use to take dey disturb the rest city wey dey Edo State. Another city dey, Ishan dey, or one day. Una come dey use una problem take dey rob another people. Oh, una no waka, una no let you go waka. You know wetin? Abat, you know wetin? You for go fold your face. You fall down, you go bury, and you see how snake take dey bury itself. You go use, you cover your face with your spit. Then you go enter inside ground. I think that one for just good pass. That one for just too good. You for no talk. Because saying something at this moment, you are an irrelevant person. You are not making sense. Who you dey tell? Now the Benin now, when people say that they put road for Benin, now you dey tell, wait till una no fit do. The time una dey power. How you dey, my darling? Good evening. Helen. Any small thing that now he say Modiokpewolo na resist. He say Modiokpewolo na resist. If una dey do state governor, now only Benin there, now una dey waka up and down. Do one road for Benin, they'll just dey use until they shout. They don't get one thing when they carry come. I don't line now, don't they move. Only that I don't line low. People still they ask say even Benin people say, I am don't line bossy ya. A don't line bossy terror teme. I want you wa ni akbo one o. Iya bury, they bury the treasure of Edo. Benin people, Edo State, Benin people bury ya. Iya na bury. The artifact when they carry years back. That time they never even bought their father. They're not understand. Naisha, go and ask some parable. They will say, ask. Because that my rough you joke. You know, as each of the beat Edo. When they say how they meet Edo, now they by put up for joke. It's like Bedo, Edo Besan, Okpa Machin. Any arrow, any show na that or not tani. Eye Balehon. Now something they drag rich when they use that parable. It's like Bedo, Edo Besan. Now something they drag rich. It's na food, now they can't eat belly food. Now they can't use that parable. Go ask your forefather. Your forefather will tell you. You don't say they say they don't say Benin not the Britishan. Look at they don't say Benin not the Britishan. You don't see because the beating was too much. Go ask your father. You say you get one person when talk, I go say they go tell you say the reason why they talk this parable. They are going to time, man. They don't want to obey it. They are by just using it to say, brothers and sisters, I will be not allowed, my people. Then when they tell you, say, if you see Ishan, man, if you see an Ishan person, Benin person will tell you, say, if you see an Ishan person, see snake, Obazee, now yeah, they talk, so, if you see an Ishan person, see snake, what did they talk? They say, you first buy the Ishan person before you buy snake. Hello, man, several. Now, wisdom. Now we get rich. They don't just, your people don't just put on for what talk. Every show at that time. Before Benima Kwayoganya, we are Miesan, we are Mienye, no work besan. Before we kwek benye. Now you know what it mean? We be conny people. We be conny. There is no way when you go fit enter us. We be conny. When you are talking of conny, if you talk so you they talk, they go leave. If you talk so you go enter us. If you pass here, come. Now be say, if you be Ishan person, no offend an Ishan person. I told you, no offend at all. If you offend, the play don't finish. Ishan no get forgiving heart. Anybody when come for Ishan, you go tell say, I not join the people where they say, you shall not they forgive you. You shall not they forgive you. I not join them. Now lie. Isha can respect you. Isha can give you respect. He can respect you the way you want. But once you want to trespass, you can't say you be conny. You say you want to the full on. You say you want to break. You know how to disgrace where. Just say I want to break down and disgrace. When I tell the reduce person, when you don't finish, you don't finish be that. If you like, some people come back and go say, oh yeah, me borrow selu, or say here, or here, kill. No, cause they talk say our state governor na tribalism man. It's not a tribalism man. Now una even do tribalism. When una not go the rest place, go do road put. During the time of Oshomile do road for some part for Isha. But during the time of you and Uncle Obazee, when I don't do anything. 8 plus 8 ogba, 4 plus 4 ogba, 4 plus 4 ogba, 4 plus 4 ogba. And mommy been worrying ladian for 4 years. See, our state governor when you dey talk to now. Eh? How many months it take day? You calculate the months when it take day. Now things when you don't do for this month. Una government no fit do one for 8 years. Even if say they bring una come sit. Now since spend another 8 years, you go come be 60 years. Una no go fit. Instead of any vare me nine, waki doa ri. Ewo no se wa hon. Waki mui oba palasi vai. Waki mui regrowing. Now waki mui regrowing now. Waki yoge nyana do buwa nebo. Na ene jana muvade. Una they use and they disturb the money when they go to repair those states. Any juju when they carry come up for Bini, when they carry come again, make una carry and go up palace. Now there it belongs to. They know where they for carry on. Oh no, mwebo, wane jone boaje. Una know where they for carry the juju come on. One of the toss on one bureau for the juju. Now wow, Roger Misha. Igona ki gboro do set yoy. Akigbodore abuwa nebo mo mukpano na onebo nya o ye wan ba ye ta sefu. Onebo ni e oni uga. Melega nya epoki CV. Ebo wa ki mo ebo CV village re. John wish you ebo I mo ebo. We are I can to sangenya o esa ko uduebo. I mwebo na. Wa mwebo uki uta yelo wede. You da mwebo da lo wede. I bonu we mu na gene na yo gene. Don't ne boni genya gene. You think say did you go like to come back to Edo State again? Me all sometimes say na funny o. No na let person come dey do comedy with some things. Say for example, akone bona momukpa no artifacting na momukpa no na tikuli gidi no data. I said biwa ba my biwa name my our great grandfather I said be. Say for example, say I say that artifact. Say akigende yo when I won kale agbonu. You think say you go come on for the place when you dey for years? Go come on for there. Go Nigeria when they charge. Artifact when something relax or where it dey for there. If they come to something spray something put something clean face. Rubber like this. Waki on ninya okay I dey come. Waki musi ejiwada mufionya. Waki do agbaran wo. Digun amu wekpa for how many years? Ana mu were. I don't bokoko waki don't dara. I said never call it. On the book, what is this? Why are you splashing on my face? I don't do this. The place they are bringing me for, they don't do this on my face. They always do me. They just clean my face like that. No, what? That go, coin. Artifacting nya the sena nya artifacting go ahead like this. Who are those people? Artifacting is America. The country Germany was your now. The artifacting was in Germany nya. All over control me wan ebo water. Sometimes when I get the way one until they do something. Eda ka gbugan o. Eleni Obaseki are doy. Other raw agbugan artifact. Because they said they will bring the artifact come for them. Una no know where they for carry that something come on for Bini. Eja da mwebo, eni a mwebo joy. Eja da mwebo. Ayo renya, ay mwebo. Eja ogida mwebo pano. Bono wa kiche nyege wabe mwebo re. Eba mwebo joy, eja nebo suppose no reache. Renya, aya mwebo pano. Cheche vade nya, ajan biru toru munebo. I don't understand. I understand it. Aki that time artifact. No the artifact ada ahon. Ada yikoti gwa de oda na da shajo yikoti remina. E that 8 years, abi 6 years, ada woro teme artifact. 6 years, ora teme artifact. No what the hell one artifact ni awaye state governor waye always so. State governor no conte do oda robot siwi. I winner, no suppose not a winner, with those states. Unku na they construct. If you carry this icon, you will put her for here. You carry this one, you put her for here. You carry mat, you put her for here. Mewe, Obaseki. Obaseki is not constructing. Oh, Obaseki, you know, let God know where you go plug your hair, put now. Now, since I want to say, you get now. Now, you want to construct. Now, if you just carry a guitar con, you get one way, you just do underground, you just go bust out for Egu Joshua. If you just from Egu, you just do underground again, you go bust out for this thing, for Igwebe. You just from Igwebe, you just enter, wakiche no vibe, you can do mumutako. However, you just see that tower. Shame. Una Obazee, una old people, una Bini people, una put disgrace for their body, una spit for their face. The disgrace. Now they say, okay, I'm gonna answer now. How was state governor now? How it be racist now? How it de tribalism now? Something that is putting initial, that's it they put on for Bini, that's it they put on for one. So you be just want to say, if they just win a those states, they just they Bini for that. I want to lot of a cockback. I got to know with the repair Bini, with the repair Bini. I tell repair Bini with the and every day with the yes, that they repair Bini. At the end of the day, we not to see where they repair for the Bini. I mean, John Maria Jereva. Now they say, okay, who can be tribalism now? The time when I day, we not repair anywhere. Even na Bini self, we not even repair Bini. The money when they pay throughout Obaseki take the power. Where the money? Obaseki is supposed to be arrested. Because money when they pay for Obaseki when they power. When the state pay for them. And the federal. Because now federal, they give the money. Federal, they're supposed to tell Obaseki, say, come and give us accountability. If you see one place, see this one state governor from Igbo. If you see one gutter, one this thing, I don't know which one call her. Ija. See the way the mate do one. If I can't see him again, I go share him. You know what you for supposed to do now? The road that they repair now. When she said our state governor enter now, Obazee, about Obazee, the road where they repair now, That they show am. That they show am. I bet you fit come show us the one when una repair the time una do 8 years. Just show us 5 road. 5. Just show us 5 road when una fit repair for good 8 years. Come show us. Because it's when our state governor dey now. Only Benin for there, don't do road past 5. Benin, they never reach shout, they never reach on one side. And they will take repair on one, Benin. Now so they will take repair Ishan. Now so they will take repair on one. They should go to all one side. Road for all one, no good. You get one when it did my platform. That road no good at all. Only all people make una come out, make una they use una voice. Till they bring the road where no good for una side. Now some people they do am. Believe people they stuck Senator Modokpa will see our road for here, it's not good though. Now so we they talk for Ishan. All one people make una come out. Make una not they pretend say una good pass. When I call the patient say Ishan people, Ishan people, we not they follow Benin they fight. Ishan people they follow Benin they fight. Yes, we they beat Benin. If Benin people reach where we go beat them. If now they fit beat us, make them beat us. If now we fit beat them, we go beat them. Everybody go enter house. Now so house when they not they fight. That they ask whether if you say whether they be cripple, if you cripple that they fight for ourselves. I be say, una can't stay now. They'll say, I want people not to talk, I want people not to talk. I want make una they talk, because if una not talk, now, I don't want place for una place. It dey my this thing. It dey my Facebook. No be to come to share back of flash for una, no be only that one. Oh, one. As everybody they voice for their own place. No, na come see voice for now. Benin when they don't do state governor for years, Benin people see they come out, they voice say, Siamo, our state government, I bet can't do this road for us. So Benin people see they shout. And if they power, now Benin, they know they come out for Benin now. They turn around for Benin, they turn around for Benin, they turn around for Benin until they go spend that 8 years. Now. State governor don't enter when it come for Ishan now. About Obazee, now they start say, na resist. How it be resist about Obazee? Because this man they repair Ishan. Now it be resist. Now it be resist. They repair Benin, they repair Ishan. Okay, what do you be think? You be just think say, you be just think say, as he enter, now let Benin, you go they repair. Not be say we won't be shout people. Not be say we know if they shout the way we want to they shout. We will fit shout as well. But my zigbe kemi also abia ri o te do ada ho izi egbe. My sabon si egbe mi. When abia o te do set ada ho izi egbe. Ayoda no zi egbe mi or as only ya don so opo or aka lo egeni. The rest people they cry when the son to reach their hand. You don't sit down. You know what are you doing? You be politics. You they play the game of politics. All this thing when you they do nobody look all Nigeria nobody they do one. If they come their turn of finish they go they do another thing. Even as you they shout self, you are left alone. You see this Obazee now when they shout follow. Obazee now go change, you go APC. A lot of people for PDP, all of them don't they come out now. You never know. Sit down for there. The day when you go see your uncle, your brother, Uncle Obazee, the day when you go see him for APC, you'll say, now me at social media they shout. No, now I can change at any time now. Now can change. The day when you come see now you say Obazee don't dey APC. For Obazee say they come APC, they go say make him enter. No be game. You make it that. That time you come say, now wow, Obazee don't change. Wow, this man don't change. Me I don't hear the shadow so they be. A lot of people, they enter APC. Just they shout for there. How many PDP, when you fail, when you see say that they shout, PDP, nobody, they shout for PDP again. Now only you want to do live video for something when you know they work. People don't they cross, they go APC. You never know about Obazee. Sit down for there, they shout. If somebody asks you now about Obazee, wait till they shout for, wait till you won't talk. The time when they say una be state governor, una the ruler, they don't see what una do. They don't see what una do. Now only a part the more now. Now just they do the way when you they do. I don't know why. If una come enter something later, the something will come they pay una for body. I don't know. A part the more now that one just sit down. You don't they shout, Mother Pavolo, Mother Pavolo, Mother Pavolo. You ask a part the more waiting Mother Pavolo do you. You just want shout. Why be say this shout? Why be say una always like to the shout? See, una don't shout now. Be like say, be like say, something don't choke me. I fish shout. I beg. Why you no say? About Obazee, just chill. Go and take some pill and chill off. Relax, sit down. They look. Just sit down and look for 8 years. Matik Bonnejerevia. Ikunu washi ye do take akbole. The thing what my prophet just say we got to sweep it. Now see orenya. Motokpa wo alu 8 years. No see worry. Now one go carry. Also that just see Bini people, but Bini people back hearing. Back hearing. Back hearing. Back hearing. No sit down, man. A girl one person went do video. He say very that guy will be careful for these Bini people. Be careful for these Bini people. And that person na Bini oh. They say very careful. As you get advice this person to say They say why very that guy not go out again. I say before I became I don't know what you very that guy they are John Taba. Whether na busy they use and they use and cook, whether they smoke out, I don't know. Only cause akpo. If I will do you, Dagote, if this get that, I will make sure say I seize your truck. If they say may you carry one Dagote truck, they will give you say carry they take care of the truck, you go fit. Even the billionaire when you get the truck, he no fit take care of truck. They will say okay, very that guy will put 5 Dagote truck for your care. You go fit. No, na do if you do na content finish, make una enter house. Now, all those people when they carry your content, that they cry, they say you not talk again. Very that guy go talk oh, make they see your content oh. Useless people. Now they push very that guy. Make una still go die. Make very that guy still put una for air. When I still bring content, make very that guy for still share una. Now they say easy your birthday, easy your birthday. I say as very that guy carry something come. Very that guy they use until they do caricature. Person when I reach ground, he carry now so they be. And so they be my people, me I live now. Now about Obazee now come talk about Obazee. Sit down they look, now be dog oh. Sit down they look the state governor when they now. Can't you sit down? Can't you take some this thing? Take breeze. Just sit down. If I were you, when you just chair sit down, you need to sit down. Because we get where you go talk rich, nobody go marry again. The rest, all those Asian people when they be follow you, all those one when they be say na the second Asian man one win, the Asian man no win, they don't they quarrel. My sister, my brother, if they want to true repair state, they bring 2 Asian people come out, one winner. Okay, okay, since you know win, this one when you win, may we follow and walk. Not be so it's supposed to be. Must 2 people win? For example, now you bring 2 Benin man come. Benin people vote for the Benin man, the 2 Benin man. One win. I say, one win, Benin and Benin. One win, make you join the Benin man, put her together, repair those states. Not be so supposed to be. As it shall still win, it shall people still supposed to carry her together. Make they take work for their those states. Not because they go they find this thing. I understand to now. I bet when my carry matter go that side. I know they like to talk to una matter. Why me I can't talk to about Obazee. About Obazee, you know why I can't talk to you? You are not making sense when it comes to state governor issue. When it comes to the state issue, Edo State, you have nothing to say. Do you know what you will just do? Just cease, sit down, then look. Use chair, sit down, look. Then look. I don't understand. I don't even know who you dey fight for now. Obaseki now, you say as they go America, you say you don't send people. Make them go for the event. Where the event, they made them go there. Where did they want to talk? Where did they want to talk? You don't send people. Go there. They say now Benin musician. One of the same people they go, make them not let them play music. This say nice state governor be. The time when Obaseki they work at that time. They don't even send person go there. For Obaseki reach the place, you go they sleep. Now that time for Obaseki was a bad time. Now Obaseki they construct nose, they construct this thing. The oil in Bayelsa State, you will bring it to Benin. You take it to Benin. Oh yeah, and then you carry the one when they Benin, you cannot go Imbo. The one when they Imbo, you cannot go Abuja. The one when they Abuja, you cannot come. I say, brother, this one when you dey talk, so it be like say you want Chris. Go be like say Obaseki be like say that one person said before. When you just state governor, all those things, why you not get the sense that time? No, you not get sense. You dey fight artifact. The artifact when they say that they can't come for Bodo, they don't get where they want to put artifact. No, no, they deceive on self again. Not be so where they carry the artifact. Where they for carry the artifact today. If palace in Edo State, palace in Benin, if they exist, can't reach this time. Where they for carry artifact come out, that place still they exist. Yes. If the palace in Benin still they exist, since when they carry artifact come out for Benin, say the palace still they exist, decades to decades to decades to decades. Where they for carry artifact, that place still there. If they carry the artifact, come make una carry the artifact, go there. More than not carry the artifact, come say they will come they use those states money to build house for her. Or the money where you go carry follow the artifact, make una go use and take build house for them. No problem. But the one where federal government they give those states, make they take repair those states. No people want to build house for artifact. Artifact get house. I where that artifact is worry. Hein? Va voir nje pour that artifact. Va ye pour that artifact. You both still know one. If you both should know the juju when they pick for Benin, or you both know the place where they pick the juju. But I only come they carry all those things. Come they use and they disturb. Now na affected disturb during the time of Obaseki. Obaseki was nyama nyama. I see they were kind of come that. I see they say the artifact. No, the where they now somewhere they for carry the artifact. On a boni or abe carry Georgia. I remember on a boni genye Georgia. Una sell to person. The person build house put. Make una carry the juju. The person go they live with the juju for the same house because na the juju land now na build house put. Every juju get to your land now. Every juju get to your place. No, so this one come now. Now the map that and they say artifact. About no shame. Shame not just there about I. You they talk to our state governor. Or Butuluevi. I went there town. Oh, Ashan. They go with because they go. We don't see the way they waka. Some honest man. Oh, Ashan, you enter that contract. You know you don't fail again. If you not doing well, you're talking you not doing well. But that was Ashan. You go with confidence. You know people when you give them the work, make it do. Osara ni aramie. Eke disi amekiro. Bini people they shout. Everywhere is shining. Everywhere is shining. Now say, go and tell your brother. Go tell your Benin brother when he just come up for seat. No be we no want hear. Oh, that one, we not hear that one again. That one don't pass. No, that one, now presence we did now. That is it. Let me leave you people for now. About Obazee, I better find out that they talk. Yeah? Find out that they talk, bro. With that, you are not making sense. You say, our state governor, you say now they use tribalism. By the time when Benin man they will call. Now Benin man even use tribalism. We never see una for say one day say una go ish and they'll say see where una repair. You know that. Only waiting Obazee do, you go one community, will go carry the school come out. Obazee use all your community for those states, use the to bush. Lucky Binet don't fair come. Lucky Binet don't use ring growth. They turn to bush. Now show me let. I come ballot ring growth. Or show me let. Wait till show me let put for that ring growth. If he put on for Auchi, he will put on for Auchi. If not tribalism. So you want to say, my job Bible. Say. What did they do for Isha? Not supposed to they do it for Isha. Now Benin supposed to they do it for now. Wow. Are you really serious? Now Benin supposed to they do it for. What did they do for Isha? So if I can't do it for Benin, I get a ya areva shengbe, aregbe ni va miefo. They too use una take place on time. Person they give una body si finish. I sure make one me and never shien. I know they like her. Every day came your ya from me nation. People when they quick see person finish, I know they follow them play. No. Now that was the fair use. I say, about Obazee, I never see you with cigar. Whether they hide the poly, I don't know. I don't know who they wrap the poly for you. About Obazee, go and chill. Go and sit down. Get some rest. Stop using your brain. Stop cracking your brain. You know that if you like, talk till now, till that kid don't come. You are not talking. You are not talking. Then why can't you just chill? Just chill. Just take a break. Okay? When we don't wash everywhere, finish. Then when you go carry this thing, go to look and say, no, they check and each state governor they do one. You know what I'm saying? You know how many Benin people they pray for our state governor? Many roads when they do. Go see one road, the robot Janokwa, one the old men, the old women for the all of them, they happy. Say they never do say they go do this road again. Learn how to appreciate. Your mouth is not going to change. Now, now you they talk to. You know what I tell you that day? I tell you. Where are you going now? Where are you not? You go see yourself for Nigeria. I dey talk again now about Obazee. Listen, we are on a man. There are you Tony ready wahu. They will go and ask in land. They ask to no die. If you put person for seat, the one overthrow the person. Eh, well, no bere can bere. They will take bere. They don't call remove her for their body. That's what they go do you. You just be careful when make up your mind. Now bye bye.